firing at a liquor vendor in Lumfeld supermarket kills one man. People formed GSC against the incident. Lumfeld police captured the killer. A combined team bust 10 illegal liquor manufacturing factories at Natok Jingdong Chothi Makha in Bishnupur district. Desam and AIMS demand government to call cabinet meeting within 3 days to frame strict law to tackle issue of examination questions leakage. Education Minister Thoksom Tradisham says some miscreants involved in yesterday's violence at Lilong High Secondary Madrasa have been arrested. And All Tribal Rights Protection Forum Manipur demands holding of Autonomous District Council election by May or June. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangusam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. A person died from gunshot at a liquor vendor in Lumfeld supermarket today. 6 clubs and 4 Merabaibi associations in Uripok area have formed a GSC against the incident, and Lumfeld police has arrested the accused killer. Impact News sources said that the deceased is 48 years old, Kabrabam Syamt alias Nanau from Uripok Sarbonting and Kabrabam Lekai, and the accused killer is 47 years old H. Premsit from Uripok Baspati Lekai. The incident occurred at around 4:30 a.m. today. Family members said the deceased went for a walk along with his friend Wainila Chandra at around 3:30 a.m. They said Kabrabam Shyam was shot on the right side of his head by Premsit after an argument in the liquor shop. He was immediately rushed to the RIMS hospital but could not be saved. Family members also said that they were told by the owner of the liquor shop that accused Premsit, who had just lost 2 lakh rupees in the game of cards, forced them to open their vendor at around 2 a.m. by showing his license gun and started drinking. 6 clubs of Uripok, namely DCYS, PYO, CDS, Upalt, LADSY and Ukult, and 4 Merapaibi held a meeting at Uripok Kombire Community Hall and formed a JSC against the incident. The JSC said that they will carry out various protests until befitting punishment is given to the accused Premsit. Deceased Shyant had divorced his wife 10 years ago. He is survived by his 21 years old son. Meanwhile, residents of Thangmei-Bant Lumfeld supermarket and members of local clubs today carried out a protest demonstration against selling of all sorts of intoxicants in Thangmei-Bant area. They also held one day consultative meet on the same at Lumfeld supermarket. Thangmei-Bant United Club, along with Kwai Lumfeld Women Development Organization and Thangmei-Bant United Youth Club, organized the meet. Speaking to media, President of Thangmei-Bant United Club, Pratap Laisangthem, expressed disappointment that Lumfeld supermarket has become a haven for intoxicants abusers. He recalled that an infamous incident between 2 alcoholics had occurred recently. Pratap said the meet aimed to curb drug menace in Thangmei-Bant area.
Supermarket mamangdagisu hongak mayamsu leiba aduna yu yonba mayamam leirakanda ahingbauda 24 yu ngau leiba aduna pung 13 da yu leiba lae ngasidi laibak thiba haitare yu thakminaba ani ko leiba lakpa maga aduga kana tawba maga ngasi nongmaina kaptana mioi magi punsi pikhamnare haitare government ki site su masi yam chin miyeng changhaningi government na miyeng changdabodona paisa khaira ga ngasagi tum thambadona tawreba masina praja mayam je pelaktabadagi ngasidi nisa yonbasing yu goli boiro mayam jinje amdam thinga jena masi tawne adubo aikoina mechanism am puthokanda yu yoliba mayam loina kauraga haminaraga moigi awabana karino habado khanaminaraga pibe yaba moigi mating pigani aduga akoina yusidi area sidagi mutharpa pami masida government ki site gi ado organization mayam dagi mating pambiraganda haibi area sidi yugi zone ni sagi zone mo oirakpase masi thinghonabaduni akoina honajabs.
Acting on a chief of a combined team of additional SP, Operation and Law, Bishnupur Police, Women Police, CDO and BDA personnel, including media person, busted 10 illegal liquor manufacturing factories at Nacho Jingdong Chotimaka in Bishnupur district yesterday. The team, under the supervision of Bishnupur District SP Priya Darshini Laishram, MPS destroyed 460 liters of country liquors and set ablaze 1,790 hame used in manufacturing liquors. They also seized 76 silverware items, 237 plastic buckets, 432 plastic jar. 9 miscreants involved in the illegal business were handed over to Bishnupur Excise Station ASI, Wainam Sursit, for further actions.
यामना लार्ज स्केल दा हाइतारे टैक्सी अचो मैम से अखोगी मैजाउ थारगा मोगी ओन वे मेकानिज्म हाइबे तारे सुंगबगी कनो से मोइना तुम डिवाइस तौजरकांदा युमथोंग खुदिंगी यूज अदुमतिक लार्ज स्केल दा सुंगगा लेरंबनी अखोगी सिगी टिडिम लाइन से दैसदा एक्सीडेंट मैम थोइबा खोलिबा मैम से सिगिसु कई हाइनी अखोगी नुंदांग वायमगी मतंगसदा वेंडर दा खंगदे अमा दा खंगदे चंगागा अदुम खरा थआगा खोलागा ड्रंक ड्राइविंग गसु यामना रिलेटेड ओइ हाइजरिबा अखोगी एक्सीडेंट की कनो केसेस मैम अमसु थोइसे ngasi वेंडर सिंग मैम सिदैस्ता सप्लाई तौरेबसे जगह अमा अदुदगिदी थोगलाइबा कनो से अखोइना सप्लाई से थिंगबा समहाउ स्टॉप तौबा सिगी एफर्ट तनेबा अखोइनासु चंगजनजरकपसे मसी तौबिगनु मसिना समाज सिदैस्ता अदुकी मतिक अकाइबा मैम अमा पीरिबा खोलिबा मैम से सि येंगाकांदा अखोइगी कनो से आइन न यादबा adagi law na yadaba mayam se masi makhata na chathabiganu.
A combined team of Kaibul Police Station personnel and members of Moirang Kuno Apun Bamaira Baibi, Kada Moirang Kuno Makaleka Unit, Kada Moirang Kuno Bazar Unit, Kada Bishnupur District Committee also busted 6 illegal liquor manufacturing factories at Moirang Kuno Maningleka in Bishnupur District today. The seized liquors and liquor manufacturing equipments were destroyed on the spot. Student bodies, DESAM and AIMS have claimed that biology question paper for today's COSIM Class 12th examination was leaked on social media. The two student organizations have warned the government of carrying out various protests if it failed to call a state cabinet meeting within 3 days to decide on framing a stringent law against culprit involved in the malpractice. Speaking to media at DESAM office in Kwakitel today, Secretary General El Lamiaba claimed that intelligence team of DESAM in AIMS found the question paper of biology subject on social media at 9:48 a.m. before the exam begins at 10 a.m. today. He said that they have filed a complaint at COSIM about the same. The student bodies have demanded the government to punish the culprit involved in question paper leakage within 15 days.
Manipur की education sector दा यामना साथीबा महिक खरा लेरे महिक सिंग असे अकोय मतम चाना फादो होदबा तारगदी मणिपुर की लाइबक तंबंगमदबा महाम तारब खुनाई अमखकी इरोय लोइबा वार्निंग अमख रेड लाइट थालकपनि हाइदुने खोइने लवी ngasi की क्वेश्चन लिक ओइरपगी वा मतंग असे तमतुना ngasi दगी थारगा नुमित हुमनी की मनुंगदा मणिपुर की कैबिनेट मिफम फमगदबने कैबिनेट मिफम असिदा मणिपुर दा सुंगसोय सोयदना मकी पेनल प्रोविजन अमख अकोइदा हान लेरिबा मणिपुर की education एक असिदा हपचनबा नत्रे हारगा इनौ नौबा examination गा मरी लेनबा penalty एक अमखक सुंजोय सोयदना मकी सेमगनी हाइबिगी वारेप से कैबिनेट लौगदबने मसी करिगुम लौदबा तारगदी हौजिकते अकोइ तुमिना येंगदुना लेरकलोय.
Student Union of Konglik Park, SUK, in a press release strongly condemned the students' agitation at Lilong Higher Secondary Madrasa Center on the last day of the High School Leaving Certificate Examination 2020 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur. Education Minister Tokson Radisham has disclosed that some miscreants involved in yesterday's violence at Lilong Higher Secondary Madrasa yesterday on the last day of BOSIM Class 10 examination have been arrested. He also declared that none involved in the incident will be spared. Speaking to media at SSA Hall in Babupara today, Minister Radisham assured that an inquiry committee will start probe into the leaking of examination question papers. He asserted that government is committed to ensure smooth conduct of the examination and has even welcomed suggestions from student bodies. The Education Minister also said government has started coronavirus awareness for students in schools.
हानी थाना थारा थुदेलक लंखारब गाड़ी थुगाब नुंग थाजिलक मैम मैम लो येंग लेरे अरान थब तौर तौहन चुम्रे हे तौनो फते फते खामदे. That means copy to ge yadrem oza hat lo haire adu raba khoin tambido likes aduna appeal to jiningi di oza singjo sincere oibio private oigra government oigra akhoi question thadorokpa question semaga takthokpa like tamidina tuition chatpa khoi ek so leire rule so leire implement tawrani tarka leire ngasai karnataka gi akhoi copying tawbagi adu ek to examination ek to akhoi so krai loksil ga hapsin na honor kani tawbudu oza sing na honest oibio parents sing na honest oibio sincere oibio adu masi phatte phatta thabji tawhangumse haibse haibidragadi adu regadi akhoi jitra tawroso kari tawroso thingmusu ngamoy.
Socialist Students' Union of Manipur in a press release blamed the government for the recent scrapping of B.Ed course recognition from the Namunzuri College of Teachers Education for violating rules and regulation under National Council for Teachers Education and CTE. SSUM urged the government to take appropriate action at the earliest. All Tribal Rights Protection Forum Manipur has warned the government of unwanted consequences if the Autonomous District Council election is not conducted in May or June. Speaking to media at Nagaram today, Forum President Joseph Rongmei said the decision of the Hilt Area Committee to extend the administration of Autonomous District Council, which will soon expire in April, is not reasonable. He said postponement of the election by taking advantage of monsoon is similar to snatching the rights of the tribal people. Joseph said government's decision to hold the election in November is not feasible owing to examinations, festivals and harvest. He added that the previous government always hold the ADC election in rainy season. He asked why the present government cannot conduct the election on time when the previous government could do so.
Christmas season sida church ke elders sing so sometimes election day involved to so laye and then imung manung masen so ichini now so khana han basu ngambani election sina asigo umba tanja se problem se create to bi guru hill area committee na have se koi haninge loina na hill area committee ke recommendation do state chief information commission da pikre aduga state cabinet na su simultaneously makoi mauduki recommendation do extend tawbage aduga partyless system do accept tawraga cabinet pass tawbase akhoi yaningde aduna cabinet gi decision da amuk review tawbiu government so maramdi present government si ko partyless government ro as well as season da yengraga mkhoi government form tawba government ro hanagi previous gi government gi matamda di pangthok pangamraga why not the present government review tawraga in the month of May or June asigi manong da soidana pangthok kadabani natragadi public singi asaw be henjalaragadi afaba amato oiroi.
Teachers of Chandal and Technopole district under the banner of Kota carried out relay hunger strike at Komlathabi, Kapamd waiting shed in Chandal district demanding rectification of revision P ROP 2019 today. Taking part in the protest, core committee member of Kota Chandal and Technopole district, Serto Apaukom strongly condemned the reduced pay scale of the teachers. He warned that the teachers will launch various protests including burn and blockade in the two districts if the demands are not met.
Teachers community dana government of Manipur na hanthana pibiba anna 9,300 34,800 ki scale da laizaramba asidagi 5,200 amadi 20,200 ta hanthana pibirakba masibu apaina suya yaningde memorandum amadi ultimatum kayas government of Manipur da pisin khrabani teachers ki community da smai hanthana pibirakpagi ase akoi suya yaningde rectification tawbi da taragadi makhataba agitation mayam ban blockade district wise da sum chatharakani.
Teachers under the banner of Council of Teachers Association, Kota, continued their relay hunger strike in front of JDO office in Senapati, demanding rectification of revision of pay ROP 2019 unabated today. Protesting teachers warned to carry out various agitation, including total shutdown in the hills districts of Manipur if the government failed to heed their demands latest by March 7. Members of Kota also carried out relay hunger strike at JDO office in Babupara in Jiribam district today. Taking part in the protest, Kota convener K. Khogendro said teachers of the state deserve the same pay as other teachers across the country.
Hiramamada school Pagalanze Hairi, Aduga Hiramadana, was asking it pays a sukimatic thing and a piri. Sideta Kramina school Pagalan the Gimayon on the Lakadori Habasima. Mediage Tuda, Mayam the Kanzari, Aduga Luna, the Queen of Tanzari was higher pay nate akhoi status ta leifam tokpa pay do hangna unonabada leiriba Mizoram da natragana Assam yagi tongan state singda pigraba makhoina phangibodo adumaina aikhoisu Manipur su phangmam thoi aikhoisu samana phangmam thoi.
School Management Committee of Kodongpopi Mamanglekai Primary School in Fault West, along with students, parents and guardians today protested merging of the school with a neighboring school. Taking part in the protest held at the school campus, a guardian said the school was established in 1949 and has produced many efficient students till date. He said there were 5 teachers and 30 students in the last academic session. He expressed discontentment that the teachers were pulled out of the school to merge with a neighboring school when processes were underway to begin admission for this year's session. He condemned the government and warned that parents and guardians will even approach the court if the interest is not key.
Mawagsan tawo niyom singi matung endi school gi infrastructure fattaba aduga khai connectivity leitaba growth leitaba mai angang singi enrollment leitaba adugumba school adugumba arai ba school amada akhoi emergency tawdabani adubu masiga ona taina government gi side gi ju laga survey taw amata leitiba survey sungtong tong do bot ama kamai school sida satra leite mai connectivity natraga haja hair basi criteria mayam jing amata fulfilling tongna leite harga karamna sidara kamai loisan birami nowa namna adum honjing gi taga de khoi ri pa leite khoi aingi miengda legal fight khoi tawgani maram de khoi gi Saba regal fight bagi materials processing asumbedo lay.
GSC formed against the death of 24 years old Chong Tham Ding old Ayek Pumped Ongbi Marina from Tera Amudond, and family members have appealed not to release Marina's accused husband Ayek Pump Chinglin Sana from Takel Khombalt Leirak Achoba until the death case is solved. Speaking to media at led Marina's maternal home today, Marina's uncle, Chon Tham Tombi, said marks on Marina's body and the condition of her room indicate that her death was mysterious. He appealed to the police to solve her death mystery at the earliest. Speaking to media, GSC convener Pongnam Sarahanbi appealed to the authority concerned not to grant bail to Marina's accused husband. She warned that GSC, family members and CSOs of the state will continue protest until the death mystery is solved.
Magi mangak samda tarmi ba daksine pitru pi maksak ngaga phamum kangan chekhok sida phi ani lolaga sida yan bane na moina hairi sigas yamna chana da ka sida akhoni yawjama tamda magi jersey segai raga tar leramba phunagi ba chingthana gi bagi mongda nupa si ju hairi ba phamum sida tumine hai adugadi mana siba matamda nupa si karmain taro dino moigi mama bok amadi ma mane haibamna isa nupi duna badram ama thongjel e hojikse asiba mi sida khum maroi haib matagum tawriba condition dodi makhata na tobir kanu police ki site ki su yam niom chumna thigat piyo asengba protop phangdringe da nupa si thadok pa sungya yaro haibase imung manungi kanoni kaigumba thadora gadi ekoi amona kota ekoi se thajilaga makhata na khangdibo lebak meyam ga loina na jesi ga loina ekoi khongjang changcham minagine
khoju klu phangdi khoju upai lekti hai police mi ma siraga mi si pramaina thigat pirinu si angakwa oiri maramaduna athuba matamda hairiba mi si asigi langna langjin si asengba puthok piro adu natri bhaudadi semjeriba jesi ga lamdam asida leiriba siyo sing mayam ga khusam naraga matam gi oiba khongjang leptana changsin jagini.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the latest number of COVID-19 positive cases in India. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. COVID-19 positive cases in the country have reached 31, with one more man testing positive in Delhi. The Delhiite, who just returned from Thailand, Malaysia, was tested positive from novel coronavirus, increasing India's total COVID-19 positive cases, which was 30 yesterday, to 31. Global coronavirus infection has surpassed 98,000 and 3,387 have died from the virus, with above 3,000 casualties from China itself. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has issued advisory across India to step up fight against the virus. 112 people are being quarantined at West Delhi camp ITBT. Meanwhile, 13 Iranians are confirmed at a hotel in Amritsar until their in-depth medical checkup is completed. Election for Rajya Sabha seat of Manipur has been scheduled for March 26th. Election candidates can take their nomination forms from returning officer or assistant returning officer at Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretariat and file their forms till March 16. Scrutiny of nomination is on March 16 and last date of withdrawal of nomination form is on March 18. 5-day artificial insemination training program for dairy farmers included today. Krishi Vigyan Kendra Thobalt under Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Services organized the event at the conference hall of Intensive Cattle Development Project ICDP in Porompat. Speaking on the occasion, Director of Veterinary Department, Dr. H. Jawa said the training was held on the National Artificial Insemination Program launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on September 11, 2019 to train people in remote areas to become artificial insemination AI workers to enhance their incomes by increasing milk productions. Dr. H. Jawa said the department has successfully carried out artificial insemination of local cattle with semen of foreign breeds to enhance milk productions. He said with significant efforts of the department and dairy farmers, milk production in the state has reached 85,000 liters in the year. The director urged dairy farmers of both hills and valley regions of the state to consult with experts of the department and AI workers to genetically upgrade their local breeds to enhance milk production. Certificates were distributed to 30 trainees at the event attended by Joint Director Administration, Dr. N.G. Ibotombi, Project Officer of the ICDP Porompat, Dr. K.S.I. Chantibala, Head of KVK Thawal, Dr. Jessa Marini Sarangtemt, and many people.
ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯥꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯕ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯡꯈꯩ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯍꯨꯝꯐꯨ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯍꯨꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯁꯟꯕꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯪꯒꯣꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯁꯟꯕꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯔ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯨꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯣꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃꯅꯤꯗꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯅꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯈꯪ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯆꯥꯗꯨ ꯃꯃꯥꯒꯤ E50 ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯒꯤ E50 ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯪꯒꯣꯝ ꯂꯤꯇꯔ 9-9ꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯃꯣꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯦꯛꯁ ꯁꯣꯔꯇꯦꯖ ꯁꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯣꯝ ꯄꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯪꯒꯣꯝ ꯄꯣꯠꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯣꯟꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯣꯏ.
State Sericulture Department kick off 5-day training program on post-cocoon technology at the Department Project Management Complex in Sangaipat today. Speaking at the event, Director of Sericulture Department S. Gunjakishore said that the state is suitable for rearing silkworms, stating that silk produced in the state are not enough to meet the demands of the people. He stressed on the need to increase silk yarn production to meet the public's demand and even to export. Gunjakishore said attendees of the program will be given basic trainings on how to make silk yarn from the cocoons. Representatives of around 100 self-help groups attended the event.
Manipur government also we department amoina established with the sericulture department na thamaga toan ba from the very beginning panjaraga the Japan project MSP buan ga hairiba CDP ISDP SP mayam legre ko asi mayam akhoi hona jari mayam atai gi damakta natiaba ngasi lengsin bi ba koi training sing sina chingbi ga do ba lang je si puthok na bane ba koi na suwan honri mayam se lakpiriba training khudimagna sidagi tambiraga isanamo master trainer oibiusin aikoina mipung khudimak training piba ngamde aikoina takchariba khoi faculty sina taiba training si pajana loksen biraga isanamo igi laikai aigi self help group to the master trainer oiga muk takpiu so that akoi gi yam pak sana khoi langching ba hinana ba mari kanaba du khangnana ba
7-day workshop programmed on reading and writing skills of Mighty Mayak held since February 29th at Wangoi High School concluded today. Altogether, 50 teachers of elementary schools under JDO Wangoi took part in the training organized by State Council of Education and Research and Training SCERT, Government of Manipur. A mass meeting will be held at Imakuntok Nganbi, Sangland in Thamiband on April 12, pressing the government to include Sanamahi released in the minority list of India and give a separate code for Sanamahi in 2021 census. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, convener of Lining to Sanamahi Luptin M. Churamani said Sanamahi religion is one of the oldest religions in Southeast Asia, but as per 2011 census, there are hardly 3 lakh Sanamahi followers. He said other religions with a higher number of followers have already been included in the minority list and got constitutional safeguard. M. Churamani appealed to people to extend support in holding the meeting successfully.
Lakliba April ki tang taraga ni thoi nongaijing numita mioi lising kaya na tinba miyam gi oiba sanamahi laining si gi mari leinaba aduga laining si hojik minority religion da channanaba aduga census ki tongan ma court ma pinanaba gi matang da khananaba thangwaiban gi ima khonthong hanbi gi sangpak sanglen da akhoi mioi lising kaya na tinba convention nama amasu tawjagani madudasu miyam da lupsina angamba mateng nijarakpa sengi oibiyai natraga pot sei oibiyai madu nijarakpa hajarakpa matamda lining sigi damaktani aduga lamdam sigi miyam sigi damaktani haina khanbirakanda angamba mateng pangbiyu cooperation pibiyu haiba simga thamjari.
Heroism Parisat Memorial Trust observed the 5th death anniversary of Heroism Parisat at Irabad Park today. Late Heroism Parisat was the former health minister of the state, cum National Council member of CPI. He took impressive roles to uplift CPI in the state. CPI National Executive Council member Dr. Nara and CPI Manipur State Council State Secretary L. Sotin Kumar led attendees in paying floral tributes to the memorial of late Parisat at the observance. International Women's Day on the theme I Am Generation Equality, Realizing Women's Rights was observed at Khairamban Market today. Manipur Nursing Council, Community Health Officers, Health and Wellness Center and Principals of Nursing Homes in Manipur jointly organized the event. Blood pressure, sugar tests, cervical and breast cancer screening facilities were provided at the event. Oath-taking ceremony of the newly selected office bearers of Maitei Irol Iyek Loina Silont Apun Balub Milan for 2020 till 2023 was held at Manipur Palace in the presence of titular King Lesemba Sanazawa today. 11th Rising Day of Village Defense Force VDF was held in Jiribam district. Jiribam VDF Welfare Association organized the event at Jiri Police Station. Belt, soldier badge, cap and Kanglasa badge were given to BDA personnel at the event. Thawal District Village Defense Force also observed 11th Rising Day at Police Headquarters in Thawal District today. Certificates were given to the Lisan BDA personnel from various BDA posts. Speaking at the event, Thawal SB Dr. S. Ibomcha said honorarium for BDF has increased and ex gratia for deceased BDFs formed from the BDF fund will be increased from 1 lakh rupees to 1.5 lakh rupees. Financial aids were given to surviving family members of led BDF personnel at the event. Investors of Salai Holding Private Limited held a meeting at Lamyan Basanglen today. 5 decisions were taken in the meeting organized by Smart Members Welfare Association. The investors condemned the government for freezing the company because of the company's former chairman and appealed to withdraw the suspension to ease their plights. Back the Pillars Foundation will hold its annual Play with the Colors event on the first day of Yaosang at Tidim Ground on March 9. The event is designed specially for underprivileged children of the state. Speaking to media at Youth Rising Star Club office, Tidim Ground today, founder of Back the Pillars Foundation, cum renowned film actor Boniam Thoksom said the event will be held in collaboration with Mami Thawan. He said children from 3 orphanages of the state will participate in various sports and entertainment activities at the event. He also said that an awareness rally on road safety will take off on the occasion. Boniam said renowned actors, actresses, and many eminent persons of the state will perform at the event to cheer up the children.
Especially lamnam sida le under privilege sing you ba kari makra da pangtu ngam ga dra ba wakal lon da nasi back the business foundation amadi mamithon foundation suga youth rising star cup ahumgi apun ma joint venture do da kari makra miyam gi tawno gi focus to jabani road safety gi campaign ama tawgani ko yaksang manung especially accident gi gi sang wan khalak ba kot ba ji yang ka gi tours na tabi dai tours ki mo to koina road safety gi rally oina ko angang sing jina pangto kani aduga masiga mai le na ba event mayam makan event sing matang na pangto kani aduga entertainment part da lamnam sigi artist sing gi singers tongan tongan field la mi singi matenga lorena entertainment gi far chu pangto kani si ge ne program hoina.
State Archaeology Government of Manipur in a press release has announced that the 3 gates of Kangla Fort will be kept open from March 9 to 11th for public confidence while facing this sacred fire from Kangla. The press release further said maximum 10 people will be allowed to enter Kangla at once to face the fire. Now the sports news. OSA beat YFC 4-0 in the 12th match of the ongoing first day and night opened for a side-led Thoksomt Anobi Devi Memorial Soccer Tournament 2020 organized by United Youth Organization Singzamai Begapati Lekai today. While Roman FC thrashed Sunday FC 3-0 in the tournament's 13th match. Progressive English School at Lumding in Thawal District kicked off its 2-day 30th Annual Sports Meet 2020 at EEO Lumding Ground today. Advisor of the school, Y Temboy, commenced the event by hosting the school flag and leading the students in a torch rally. Various house contingents of the school took out a march past for District Sports Complex Tilt Education Enhancement Organization EEO Ground Lumding. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Firing at a liquor vendor in Langfeld supermarket kills 1 man. People form GSC against the incident. Langfeld police captures the killer. A combined team busts 10 illegal liquor manufacturing factories at Nato Jingdong Choti Makha in Bishnupur district. Disarm and aims demand government to call cabinet meeting within 3 days to frame strict law to tackle issue of examination question leakage. Education Minister Thoksom Pradesham says some miscreants involved in yesterday's violence at Lilong Higher Secondary Madrasa have been arrested. And all tribal rights protection for a Manipur demands holding of autonomous district council election by May or June.